Which animal has no brain and heart? Answer C, jellyfish. Question number 2. Which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Answer A, octopus. Question number 3. Which animal smells with its tongue? Answer B, snake. Question number 4. Which animal can stop breath for 6 days? Answer C, scorpion. Question number 5. Which animal cannot look up into the sky? Answer C, pigs. Question number 6. Which animal's blood color is green? Answer B, lizards. Which animal smells with its tongue? Answer A, snake. Which bird dies after touching? Answer C, Titoni bird. Which animal has heart in its head? Answer B, shrimp. Which bird has longest eyesight? Answer A, eagles. How many teeth does an elephant have? Answer A, 26. Which animal can stop breath for 6 days? Answer C, scorpion. Question number 1. Which animal can change its gender? Answer C, clownfish. Question number 2. Which creature can live without water for up to 10 years? Answer B, tardigrade. Question number 3. What's the only animal that doesn't sleep? Answer A, bullfrog. Question number 4. Which bird can mimic human speech? Answer A, parrot. Question number 5. What's the only bird that can't fly but swims? Answer C, penguin.